Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and I am here to give you knowledge. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this information once it becomes of value to you. So in this case, we are looking at really how do we create a professional resume or a professional CV, which is a curriculum vitae, using Chatgpt. Definitely, I know most of you, you've gone to school, you've done your best, but writing a professional CV that can win you a good job has become challenging. And some of you have been also applying different jobs, but in this case, you fail to land a job because your CV or your professional resume is not well convincing to the hiring manager. In this case, we're looking at go to your browser, put in Chatgpt, and you land onto this dashboard. This is a great dashboard where we can create everything that we need. So in this case, we are going to command Chatgpt. Remember guys, the command language is very important. How you command Chatgpt is how it's going to give you whatever you want. Now in this case, we are going to command Chatgpt. We'll say create a professional resume stroke CV for, let's look at one profession, okay, for a senior, let's say a senior chef, okay, for a senior chef, okay. Look at this, for a senior chef, create a professional resume stroke CV for a senior chef. Let's see how they're going to give us what we need. So guys, look, within less than 10 seconds, we already have a professional template for a resume, okay, for a senior chef. In this case, you put your name here, your address, your city, zip, phone number, and definitely an email address. The object, a passionate and seasoned senior chef with, put here the number of years experience in culinary arts, seeking to leverage expertise in creating exceptional dishes and managing kitchen operations in a dynamic and renowned establishment. Here we talk about our experience. Senior chef de cuisine. Restaurant name, put the restaurant. Okay. City, the state, and month and year and present. Your current job. Here, this is where you put your current employment. If you are not employed, of course, you will not put present. You put the number of years. Now, the responsibilities. Oversee all aspects of kitchen operations, ensuring the highest standard of food, and then go in and put all this that you need. Now, so chef, you're putting the restaurant, city, month, and year, definitely. And again, also, put whatever the responsibilities that you have. You go down here, chef de partie. Then you put the name, put the restaurant, put the state, and put everything that you need. So in all these cases, put your education right here, the degree you have, the certificates you have, the diplomas that you have, and the graduation date. So we go down here and put the skills. Then certificates go down here as well. Referrals, you need to put up references. Put the references all available upon request. You can put them there, or you can say available upon request. Remember to tailor the details based on your actual experience, achievements, and qualifications. Highlight specific accomplishments, awards, or recognition received throughout your career. Also, use a professional and clean layout format for a polished appearance. So once you get this format well, then you're going to have a professional format, okay, and layout that you need. Let's see whether we can say create it in the best format stroke layout. Okay, let's command it and say if it can give it to us in the best format that you can have. If it can also help us, sometimes you may not know and may request us, so they are giving us the best format that we need. You see, you can request Chatgpt to give you whatever you need in a best way. Should you not like it here, You can also say, please create 10 options for me to choose. Okay, 10 options. So they will be giving you the right 10 options for you to choose. Okay, in this case, it's going to start creating the different options. Okay, of course, different layouts. So here they are designing for you the different layouts as well. Options, you can choose which option you want here. They are drawing it for you so that you can go ahead and copy it and see how best you need it right within this place. You can even copy it. You can copy it and take it anywhere. If you like this format, maybe I can copy it. Let's see if I copy it and I put it on if I can open it and put it under my Word document. So let's see what comes up. You see, you copied it right and put it in your Word document. So that's whatever you've been given, you can copy it and drop it in your Word document with much more ease. So any format they give you here, you're able to copy it and then send it to the other side of the Word document, and then you create it with much more ease. Sometimes we do not know what comes after and what goes in before or the other side. So this is it, and this is how best you can create this. Let's see whether you can say create them in a Word document format. Okay, I'm trying to see whether they can create it and put it for us in a Word document format. Okay, create it and give it to us in a Word document format. Can they do it, or can he do it? Just in case, I want to show you the power of this. Here they say, I can't directly create and upload files, but I can guide you through the process of replicating these options in a Word document. Here is how to do it. Open the Microsoft Word, choose a template or blank document to start, type out the details for each option in separate section. And so here I try to see whether they can do it in a Word document, but they are giving you also the guidance if you cannot copy direct, but they are giving you the guidance on how best you can create all this in a blueprint. And this is simple, guys. Don't say I didn't give you all whatever you need in a simple manner. But Chatgpt should be our partner in creating all these that we need, guys. So, guys, let's do our best. Let's make sure we improve our CVs or our resume and have the best in whatever we do. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you share this video to your brother, your sister, or whoever needs this information to make sure that we get the best in all that we do. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in getting your job right.